Hey, welcome back to the Argentina project. This is no part of my property. It's a highway up there, but unfortunately I get to cut the grass. So yesterday I tried my new ride-on mower. It was really high though, like it is in this side. So, but now I got it somewhat close, and it's actually the whole property here. And yeah, I had no experience with a ride-on mower, so I think I wasted more gas than trying to get the hang of, the way to cut it more efficiently. I still have to clean up a bit more so I can cut more and do the rest with the trimmer. So the house is mostly covered, the bricks almost all the way around, except this part here because we're doing a double wall here. There's gonna be a porch here. The wood beams and stuff come tomorrow, and I'm gonna put like clay. It's actually gonna be a metal roof, but it's got the shape of like clay tiles, like the antique stuff here. And so there's 3 openings. The door and the 2 windows are wood. All the rest of them are gonna be aluminum, but this is being done with brick. That door is already in place. I'll show you that in a second. But this revoke skull is almost done. I have a guy digging the thing for the septic over there, where you see that dirt flying out. These guys work like horses. And you've seen this before. And not much has happened here. Here's a solid wood front door. Have to get as soon as it's up, sand the whole thing up and have the glass guy come and install all the glass. They don't come with the glass, but this like door and a half solid wood is called agarro. It's a hardwood. It was like $220. It's ridiculous how expensive to them, but we got the whole ceiling and beam stained. Well, first coat, I think we're gonna give it 2 or 3 coats. Most of this was actually done by Kim with a brush, but we got a wicked flu. I'm just recovering for it. Kim just got it. She's in bed right now, so she's not here today. And I did this 3 sections today. I stop at beams, so if the color doesn't match, you can tell from one to the next. But so we basically do strips, and I believe they're here covering the wall. Then they're gonna do the inside. And I was gonna do, in my other videos I said there's gonna be a parrilla here, but we were thinking that if you put a parrilla there and then you want to put a table here, it only leaves so much room. So we decided to do the parrilla here beside the laundry room. Plus there's gonna be water there. So this one is pretty big. You can barbecue a whole cow in this thing. And this goes in an angle there with the chimney in that side. Oops. The wall is gonna go straight up, I believe. And then I believe this week they're gonna cover all this and then move to the inside and do the finishing here. All the piping for electric is done. and bring the electric. I think another month and a half. I mean, all the kitchen installation and that between the plumber and like cabinets and all that I'm doing myself. Here I'm gonna do shelving, but we still have to stain this one and the bathroom and the 2 bedrooms. But yeah, it's coming along. Oh, I forgot to pack my hammer. So that's it. That's the update for this week. It rained today, and that guy didn't stop for a few minutes while it was raining. Just kept going with the shovel. So, and my neighbors are away, so I'm in charge of feeding. He's got 2 dogs and 3 cats, so I just went and fed them over there in the house. And we actually put a door, a tranquera there, because they keep coming this way to have tea, and we go over there. So figure we cut the fence and put a door. It's good to get along with your neighbors, you know. Very important. You can buy $1 million property. If your neighbors are shit, it's worth nothing. So anyways, I'll catch up with you in the next one. And if I sound kind of down, it's because I'm still sick and I am pretty freaking tired, let me tell you. I had all this done in Canada. I spent 3 years building our house. But, you know, whatever, progress. We are very happy here. And, I mean, I was born here, but Kim is loving it. And that's important to me. I don't know, like nothing against Canada. Canada was good to me, okay? So it's just, let's be clear about that. But somehow, I never felt at home. I don't know why. I can't blame it on anything. I know it's politics and all that crap going on, but that's everywhere, okay? So let's not fool ourselves. But somehow I don't know, no matter what I went, I had a good time. I can't complain about it, but I never felt at home. So when we came here, the deal was, and that's the reason we are here, the deal with Kim was, I said, like, look, I want you to find a place, whatever it takes. You have to pick the place where we're gonna live. That way, you know, she will fall in love with the place and not have the problem I had. So lots here go for like 25,000, maybe 30. Well, she found this stupid place and she's like, this is the place, I won't die here. They wanted 75,000 for this one. So I'm like, shit. So anyways, I argued with them for like 2 months. I just kept making a lowball offer and they eventually took, but still it cost me 50 for this thing. But I mean, it's worth every penny. So I'm not complaining, it's just like to be efficient, that's all. So anyways, love you. Thanks for being here. I'll catch up with you in the next video. Ciao, ciao.